Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into how to get rich with $0. We're breaking down 5 ways to build your empire from scratch. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get this bread. First up, content creation. Find something you love, gaming, cooking, makeup, and start filming. It doesn't have to be perfect, just authentically you. Building an audience takes time, but every like, comment, and subscriber counts. Your community attracts sponsors and brand deals. Some of the biggest YouTubers started with just a camera and a dream. Blogging is another way to share your thoughts and connect globally. So what are you waiting for? Go create something amazing. Next, freelancing. It's a world where your skills can turn into dollar bills. Those late nights mastering Photoshop or coding, they can pay off. Imagine turning those hours into a steady income stream. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you showcase your skills and find clients worldwide. These platforms are bustling marketplaces where your talent can shine. Work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether it's a cozy cafe, a sunny beach, or the comfort of your home, the choice is yours. Freelancing can be a side hustle or a full-time gig. It's flexible enough to fit into your lifestyle no matter how busy you are. There's demand for practically every skill imaginable. From graphic design to writing, coding to consulting, the opportunities are endless. Be your own boss, manage your time, and deliver top-notch work. You set your schedule and decide how much you want to work. The freedom and flexibility are unmatched. Enjoy a work-life balance that suits you perfectly. Ready to become your own CEO? Take control of your career and your future. Freelancing might be your ticket to financial freedom. Achieve your financial goals and celebrate your milestones. Now let's dive into the gig economy. Uber, DoorDash, TaskRabbit, and many more. These platforms have revolutionized the way we think about work. They allow you to set your own hours and earn extra cash on your own terms. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, there's a gig for you. Need quick cash? Hop on Uber and start driving. It's as simple as turning on the app and hitting the road. Or perhaps delivering meals with DoorDash is more your style. No special skills are needed, just download the app, sign up, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Imagine having a money-making machine right in your pocket. That's the power of the gig economy. The gig economy offers opportunities for everything from grocery shopping to pet sitting and even home repairs. If you can think of a task, there's probably a gig for it. The possibilities are endless. Looking for a flexible way to earn extra cash? The gig economy offers the freedom to work when and where you want, so why wait? The gig economy is calling your name. Jump in and start earning today. Invest in yourself by learning valuable skills. Whether it's for personal growth or career advancement, gaining new skills can open doors you never imagined. You don't need expensive courses. The internet is your oyster. With countless resources available at your fingertips, you can learn anything from the comfort of your home. Platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube offer free courses on almost every subject. Want to learn coding? These platforms provide structured courses and tutorials to get you started. A new language, marketing, it's all there. You can even find communities and forums to practice and discuss what you've learned. Every hour spent learning is an investment in your future. The time you dedicate now will pay off in the long run, enhancing your skills and boosting your confidence. Set aside time each day to learn something new. Consistency is key. Even just 30 minutes a day can lead to significant progress over time. It's like planting seeds that will grow into money trees. The knowledge and skills you cultivate today will bear fruit in the future. Your future self will thank you for it. Imagine looking back and seeing how far you've come, all because you took the time to invest in yourself. Finally, the power of networking. Build genuine connections with people who share your interests and drive. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram make networking easier than ever. Join industry groups, follow thought leaders, and participate in online discussions. A simple message can go a long way. Don't underestimate real-life interactions. Attend free events and meetups. Building a strong network is like building a support system. Get out there, make some friends, and watch your network work its magic. And there you have it. 5 ways to start your journey to wealth with $0. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.